Let's be honest, with the addition of AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, freelancing has become so much more easier. More and more people want to become freelancers because more and more people are moving towards online businesses, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, which essentially means more and more people wanting your services. But with more clients comes more freelancers, and the number of freelancers is increasing rapidly, and the industry is at the verge of having too many freelancers, and standing out is becoming a task. Well, then, what's the solution? Creating unique packages that no one else has thought of. Let me explain. So, imagine being the freelancer that your clients choose because of something that is truly unique that only you offer. This is not just a dream, this is a strategic move to excel at your freelancing. Let's delve into the tactics to not only meet your clients' expectations but to exceed them and reach greater heights. So, I want you to act as your client and go to ChatGPT and type out the following prompt. What steps should be taken before and after? Insert your deliverable product here. So for example, if you are a website developer, write the following prompt: what steps need to be taken before and after a website has been created? As soon as you hit enter, you'll get a number of steps that you need to take before the creation of a website and after the creation of a website. You can also refer to videos on YouTube and to articles on Google for more information about the same topic, and to make sure that the information that you're grabbing is worth your time. After you have got all of this information, you basically need to select a few skills that you can imagine doing yourself for your clients. For example, as a website developer, I can easily think of myself as being the website designer as well. For example, I can do the UI and UX for your website, and I can also take care of the website's copy, and then I can get it proofreaded by someone else, or maybe I can just use some AI tool like Grammarly or something else to make sure that my grammar and punctuations are on point. Now, to master these skills, or you can go to this website called learnanything.xyz, type the skill name, and it will give you a proper roadmap with all the articles and video courses that you could ever need to basically master the skill that you are focusing on. Now I want you to craft a package of all of these services. How to do that? Here's the secret tip to create those packages. We are going to charge less for the same service in a package. For example, if someone comes to me and says, I want the website copy and the UI UX and then the development of the website in a package, I would charge less for the service. For example, if someone says that I only want website UI to be designed, I would charge $100 per page. But if someone says that I would also get it developed from you, I would $3 for the UI design, and the rest can be covered in development. This entices the client not because only of the discount that you're giving for the same service, but also because they don't have to worry about hiring other freelancers. For example, if they wanted to get the UI designed and then developed, they would have to hire two people separately, but now you are giving them both of these services and you are able to show your portfolio, your results and everything, which makes it easier for them to make a decision and bet on you instead of betting on two different people for the same end goal. Clients generally do not care about the entire process, but what they definitely care about is the end result. So if the end result is perfect and works for them, then they have no issues with who is doing it. So if you want, you can definitely expand your skills. You can also outsource the work to someone else and cover their costs inside your project. This way, your package as a whole will seem a much better deal instead of them having to hassle through different freelancers. So yeah, there are two approaches to this. You can either learn these skills yourself and master the art of being the one person niche, or you can outsource the same work, the new skills that you wanted to acquire. If you are unable to master them properly, you can hire someone else to complete the work for you. And because of AI, delivering these kinds of packages has become so much more easier for us. For example, if you're a video editor, you can definitely provide your clients with titles, their scripts, you can provide them with hooks. And if you are a business analyst, you can offer to write titles for A/B testing on their website, or you can write reports, and that way you will create a niche which no one else is doing, and in turn you'll get a lot more specified clients and a lot more long-term clients. And because we are able to incorporate any kind of writing so easily into our services, this makes it so much more easier to deliver, because we can definitely work on prompt engineering and tweak the prompts to refine the deliverable that comes out from ChatGPT to the level where a minimal human touch is required, and that's all. And if you start doing this, you'll be directly competing with productized agencies. For example, as a freelancer, if you select YouTube, then you need to provide them with thumbnails, titles, description, tags, and also to provide them with a good script, and also you can generate ideas for next viral contents. So that way you are able to give them a one-stop solution. That's my basic idea for 2024 on how I am going to eliminate competition. I have already started doing so, and I have got some recommendations on my LinkedIn, which are on the screen right now. And start implementing these tips and you will definitely start to get results like I have. And I am not alone in this. I am basically taking the concept of productized agencies and putting that in freelancing. If you found these insights valuable, it'll be great if you can drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear from you about the unique packages that you are creating today, and please mention that in the comments below. Thank you and bye.